In today's video, I am going to show you how you can turn your Amazon or the Shopify products into the video ads using this AI tool. The best part here, you are also going to get a template with a single click you can use and turn them in these style kind of the videos. It also can let you to create the instant avatars for you, and by the way, it has so many avatars options available. You can use any of these avatars to creating the video ads for you. Okay, so now let me tell you how you can do that. So go to this create option, and here you need to paste the URL of your product. Whether it's on Amazon or on the Shopify, you need just that product link. For example, I'm going to use this product here to create the video ad, and right now you can see this is the product page. Here are all the images. Okay, so I'm going to copy the link here, get back to this AI tool and paste the URL and click here on the analyze this URL. Now it is going to analyze the URL, fetch out all the information available on this app's Amazon page for the product along with all the images available here. Okay, so you can see it's the 42%. We have to wait a little bit, and boom, we got all the stuff here. So right now you can see by default it's automatically ticked all the images and the assets available for this product. So let me confirm. So this is the product name, this is the description. I can also add the target audience, and these are all the assets. Now let me click on the next, and based on this it is going to offer me some scripts that will be used to talk in the video. By default, don't worry, those talking will done by the AI avatar. I will show you. So these are the scripts. So we got the 4 scripts based on the don't worry. We have the database, we have the light marketing, and this is the discovery. So I will go with this discovery one. I have selected. Now let me click here on the next button, and now you can see start with the AI or select from the template. So you can use any of these one. If I select here start with the AI, it will ask me to select the template and the AI avatar, but I'm going to get started with this second one. Okay, and now it will show me all the library of the templates which I can select. So let me see if any of the one is good for me. So I can also select by default using this filter. So I will go with the electronics because this product is the electronic, and I think this looks really cool here. This looks also cool. Okay, so I will select this one. Now let me click here on the render video. Now it will start creating the video. Right now it's the 10%, so it will take some time, around 2 or 3 minutes, so you have to wait till then. It took around the 50 or 60 seconds and the video is ready. This is the 16-second video. Let me play it for you.
Hosting a big family dinner, my rice was always inconsistent and overcooked. I discovered the Cuckoo CR3032 while searching for commercial kitchen solutions. The 60-cup capacity caught my eye, perfect for large gatherings. Now every grain is perfectly cooked, and I never run out of rice. Ready to elevate your cooking game with Cuckoo's precision?
See, isn't it just amazing with the background music, with the B-rolls, with the effects, with the sub captions, and like this actually a person talking about that product here. So that's how you can create the video ads for your product. Now let me also give you the another demo using this time for the Shopify product. So this is the Shopify store. I'm going to copy the link for this product here. So let me copy there. Let me back here on the URL, and you can see among with the Shopify and the Amazon, you can use ST, you can use the WordPress or any other random URL if that is for the product. Now let me paste this Shopify product. Click here on the analyze URL, and again it is going to analyze all the stuff, fetch out the images. This time it was pretty fast. Let me confirm, and now I got the product name, I got the description, and here it is again the same process. And let me click here on the next, and now it is going to generate the scripts for me. And this time I'm going to go with this one, don't worry AI script here. Now let me click here on the next, and here this time let's go with the start with AI, and now it is going to use any template that is matches my product. Okay, so you can see AI template matching. Again we have to wait a little bit, and boom, we got all the video formats with the AI avatar that matches best for our product. For example, you can see this is for this one, this is for this one. Let me select this one and click here on the render video. Our video is ready, and this is 18 seconds. Let me play it for you.
Tired of heavy sunscreens leaving your skin greasy and sticky? AquaSurge Spray offers lightweight, non-greasy SPF 50 protection. Effortlessly apply on face and body, even hard-to-reach spots. Vitamin B3 and hyaluronic acid hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. Stay radiant and protected with every reapplication, wherever you go.
Okay, this video is also good. Look at the transitions, it's just auto zoom. Okay, so this is again the good one. Now let me also talk about some other features you can use. For example, if I go to the products section, it is going to show you all the products you have used to create in the video. In the avatars, you can create your own avatar. For example, I have created avatar for myself. Okay, so let me click here and so this is actually the 1 minute video, but based on this video analysis, it is created the avatar. So let me create a video, and now let me play this one. This is the just.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with JoggAI. Simply type your script to get started.
Okay, this one isn't just like the natural I have created video for myself, but let me tell you, this is just the AI avatar of myself. So that thing you can also do it here. And in the JoggAI library of the AI avatars, you can see there are tons of people's avatar here that you can use in free of cost or without getting any copyright infringement. That is actually the pretty good deal here. So if I want to talk about this tool, so it is right now available on this app Sumo, starting from the just $79 one-time payment. Yes, with the one-time payment you can use this tool to creating the products for your videos for your Amazon or the Shopify or any other product that is available, no matter which website it is hosted. Okay, so you can check it out if you want to see this deal. The link will be given in the description, and what I suggest, go with at least it's the tier 2 or the tier 3 plans, because here you will get the more extra credits per month and the more video minute length here. For example, in the tier 1 this is only the 1 minute length, and in the tier 2 you will get the video length up to the 5 minutes. So if you want to check it out, the link will be given in the description. Bye.